देश की यह वसुंधरा पुकारती, यह देश है पुकारता, पुकारती माँ भारती, यह देश है पुकारता, पुकारती माँ भारती. Good morning, distinguished guests, esteemed member of school committee, beloved and wonderful teachers, and of course, many enthusiastic face in audience. Myself, Vedika Nishant Parkar. Today, on the earth, I am very luckiest and happiest person. Do you know why? Because my own school considered me deserving to stand here in front of you and address all of you. To fellow friends, I want to tell you that you should never give up in any situation and try to reach our goal. I want to tell you that जीतूंगा मैं, ये खुद से ही वादा करो. जितना सोचा है कोशिश उससे ज्यादा करो, जितना सोचा है कोशिश उससे ज्यादा करो. The journey cannot be successful without my parents and of course my beloved and wonderful teacher who did not only teach me the textbook lessons but also the real meaning of life. That's why I'm standing in front of you as an excellent speaker. Thank you teacher for creating me in such a beautiful way. अज्ञानाकडून ज्ञानाकडे वळताना, अज्ञानाकडून ज्ञानाकडे वळताना प्रचंड असा मोठा ज्ञानाचा महासागर भेटला. अज्ञानाकडून ज्ञानाकडे वळताना प्रचंड मोठा असा ज्ञानाचा महासागर भेटला. पण या शाळेच्या कृपेने मला अनमोल अशी विचारधारांची शिदोरी भेटली, अनमोल अशी विचारधारांची शिदोरी भेटली. माय स्कूल इज माय हेवन. माय स्कूल इज नॉट ओनली स्कूल, इट इज अ टेम्पल. The journey cannot be successful without my school because we all know our school take lot of practice from each and every student. We are very lucky that we are prepared for our board exam in 9th standard only. This is the strength of my school. I am going to tell you that जिथे विद्येचा अर्थ समजला, जिथे विद्येचा अर्थ समजला, ज्ञानाची भूक भागली. जिथे विद्येचा अर्थ समजला, ज्ञानाची भूक भागली. जिथे अभ्यासाची गोडी लागली, जिथे अभ्यासाची गोडी लागली, यशाची चव चाकली, तीच आणि तशीच आहे माझी शाळा, तीच आणि तशीच आहे माझी शाळा. Today, on the auspicious day, I will promise my school that I will once again come at this school with another such great achievement. And I will make my school pride in each and every stage of my life. लाखो विद्यार्थ्यांचे प्रेरणा स्तोत्र असणारी, लाखो विद्यार्थ्यांचे प्रेरणा स्तोत्र असणारी, जीवनातील प्रत्येक टप्प्यावर मार्गदर्शक ठरणारी, लाखो विद्यार्थ्यांचे प्रेरणा स्तोत्र असणारी, जीवनातील प्रत्येक टप्प्यावर मार्गदर्शक असणारी आणि लाखो जीवांना अक्षरांचा स्पर्श देणारी ह्या शाळेची महती आज मी काय गावी, या शाळेची महती आज मी काय गावी. One example I would like to share with you. During our board examination, most parents and students come to us and tell us that you are very lucky that your school take lot of practice from you. Listening such words, my heart is filled with overlap. Thank you teacher for making us such a beautiful personality. Beautiful personality. My dear friend, I want to tell you that it is our responsibility, your responsibility, my responsibility to take this school at the greatest height of achievement. To fellow friends, I want to tell you that you should never give up in any situation because we are those who can read from our problem. The line which inspire me lot today I am going to share with you. रोखण्याच वाट माझी वादळे होती आतुर, रोखण्याच वाट माझी वादळे होती आतुर, डोळ्यात जरी गेली धूळ थांबण्यास उत्संत नाही, थांबण्यास उत्संत नाही. Listen my dear friend, good things always take time, good things always take time, but that greatest time make you the greatest. Work hard in a silence, work hard in a silence and let your success make noise. Work hard in a silence and let your success make noise. One question for you all guys. Who can change the perspective of the world? Yes, one book, one pen, one child and one teacher can change the perspective of the world. I am repeating again. One book, one pen, one child and one teacher can change the perspective of the world. On this Independence Day, I would like to, my second inspiration is my country. So, today I would like to say few words about my country. We didn't get golden opportunity to take part in Indian independence struggle. But now, what we can do? Swami Vivekananda said that यदि मुझे देश के 100 ऊर्जावान युवक मिल जाते जाते तो मैं देश की दिशा और दशा दोनों भी बदल देता. But now what is difficult to us? We are 60 crore. We can change, rebuild our motherland to our dream India, to our dream country, to our dream dream India, to our dream country, to our dream motherland, to our dream country. Yes, we are those जो हमारी देश को हिमालय की ऊंची शिखर तक पहुंचा सकते हैं, हिमालय की ऊंची शिखर तक पहुंचा सकते हैं. What can I tell about glory of my country? What can I tell about glory of my country? While whole world is busy in researching their own geography, यह मेरा देश है जिसे अपने भूगोल के पहले इस ब्रह्मांड का भूगोल समझ आता था, ब्रह्मांड का भूगोल समझ आता था. How can my country reach in cultural land, reach in heritage, reach among all the youth people of this country? My country is that Nilkanta who eat poison itself and give nectar to all of us and all other countries. But in Operation Sindoor we have seen that अगर बांसुरी बजाने वाली उंगलियों ने सुदर्शन चक्र उठा लिया तो कहाँ जाओगे? That is the strength of my country. That is the power of my country. At last, I would like to end my speech by saying that इस तिरंगे की शान को इन्हें बढ़ाना आता है, इस तिरंगे की शान को इन्हें बढ़ाना आता है. जो गलत नजर उठाए मेरी वतन की तरफ उन्हें झुकाना आता है, जो गलत नजर उठाए मेरी वतन